Hey, I'm Tony Rivera. This is Dream Car Driving. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, consider subscribing if you want to be a part of this vision of starting from the bottom up. Look forward to my content on Mondays. I'm doing supercars. I'm doing, exclusive rare cars that are one-offs or maybe one of 500, one of 700, things of that nature. So stay tuned on Mondays for that content that's starting up shortly. I did a recent video on a Lamborghini Aventador Miura. There's a lot more content to come, so stay tuned and thank you. So guys, apart from the mechanical work, I have done a lot of mechanical work to this car this year. This car was not running when I got it. I did a lot of engine work. I revamped everything in the cooling system. The only thing I did not change was the water pump. If it ain't broke, I'm not gonna fix it. I should have done it because I changed the serpentine belt and a bunch of other things. And one thing I really want to do is paint the car this year. I have the M3 front bumper on, it's not painted. The car is 20 years old. What do you expect? You can see right here the clear coat's came off. It needs some body work and things of that nature. It has a lot of imperfections in the back. Right here you can see the paint is chipping off. I have a little dent right here and little odd end things of that nature that I really want to get to this year. And so what colors have I thought about? Some of the colors that I have thought about were this blue right here. I really like the blue. I like the yellow as well, the green, and these three colors stick out to me a lot because they just stick out. No, I'm not a person that is looking for attention or anything of that nature, but I truly just want a car on YouTube that sticks out from the rest. Maybe I go black again. I don't know what you guys think. I know it'd probably be easier to go black again. But before I do even think about doing the paint, I want to get to doing the suspension. The reason I really want to do the suspension is because it sucks. The ride quality is okay, but I know it can be a lot better. And I'm in school right now at Pinko Tech in New Jersey, following my passion and my pursuit on working on cars. That's something I love to do and I would like to bring it to the channel. Do I want to make this a DIY channel? Not really. But would I like to make it a build channel? Of course. I don't have the patience to set the camera up in certain angles for a very long time and things like that, but I really want to work on the suspension next. Before I get anything to cosmetic with this car, I want to get this car up to par. I want this car to run at perfection. The worst case scenario, something catastrophic happens to the car and we'll get a new project car and we'll start from there again. But as of right now, this is my project car for the channel. I don't own any supercars. Would I like to own any supercars in the future? Yes, and I'll get to that in another video. It's not a dream of mine, it's a goal of mine to one day own a supercar, and I want you guys to be a part of that journey with me, starting from the bottom up. And let's get back to the topic. I want to start with the suspension with this car next, and a little bit more engine work, and that's about it really. Deal with the fuel system. I want to redo the fuel system, and after that, hopefully by springtime or even sooner, I want to plan on maybe painting it myself. I'm going to do a lot of research, or who knows, have a shop do it. I don't know. When the time comes to that point, we'll figure it out, guys. We're going to have to get some rims for sure. That's a must. Right now it's winter time, so I'm not too concerned of getting them right now. So yeah, let's continue. So right now inside the car, you can see that the seats are pretty worn out. This car came with a sports package, so you get these bolstered sides right here, and you get this little adjustable part right here. It comes out like this. Yeah, these seats are pretty heavy. I'm thinking about changing them in the near future to some you know, racing bucket seats, something a lot lighter. And with the doors, I would really like to get some new door panels, maybe something custom, something a lot lighter, because, you know, this car is pretty heavy. It's made out of steel. I'm not trying to make this a performance car or high-end car. I'm just trying to do a mild build. This is my first build car. So yeah, guys. So guys, I'll leave it off right here. This year, let's finish up with the suspension work. Let's get to paint, rims, and we'll go from there after that. Then I'd like to work in the interior, but, you know, baby steps at a time. I hope you guys will have the patience and will be here for this journey. I'm Tony Rivera. This is Dream Car Driving, and I hope you enjoy your beautiful day wherever it's at. Till next time, guys.